Welcome to the channel Pharmatrix. Today we are going to learn what is prodrugs and trick for prodrug. Prodrug, it is an inactive compound which get converted into active compound by various chemical reaction inside the body. The trick for prodrug is PLA SMA makes certain drugs powerful. Again, PLA SMA makes certain drugs powerful. P for prednisone, L for levodopa, A for ACE inhibitors except captopril and lisinopril, S for sulfasalazine, M for mercaptopurine, A for acyclovir, M for methyldopa, C for cyclophosphamide, clopidogrel, carbimazole, D for dipivapine, and P for proguanil.